నమస్తే వి న్యూస్ తెలంగాణకి స్వాగతం. తాండూరు పట్టణంలోని అక్షర్ కాన్సెప్ట్ స్కూల్లో ఎన్నికల సందడి నెలకొంది. సోమవారం పాఠశాలలో హెడ్ బాయ్, హెడ్ గర్ల్, స్కూల్ సెక్రటరీలకు ఎన్నికలు నిర్వహించారు. 2024-25 సంవత్సరానికి గాను ఈ ఎన్నికలను నిర్వహించారు. ఉదయం నుంచి స్కూల్లో ఎన్నికల సందడి ఏర్పడింది. అసెంబ్లీ ఎన్నికల తరహాలో పాఠశాలకు చెందిన విద్యార్థులు ఓటు హక్కును వినియోగించుకున్నారు. 3వ తరగతి నుంచి 10వ తరగతి వరకు విద్యార్థులు ఓటు వేశారు. ఓటు వేసి స్కూల్ హెడ్ బాయ్ గా మనుదీప్, హెడ్ గర్ల్ గా యువశ్రీ, గేమ్స్ సెక్రటరీగా సదియా 9వ తరగతి, ఇక సైన్స్ సోషల్ సెక్రటరీగా సమీక్ష 9వ తరగతి, లిటరరీ సెక్రటరీగా హరిణి 9వ తరగతిలను ఎన్నుకొనగా 9వ తరగతి నుంచి రెడ్ హౌస్, బ్లూ హౌస్, ఎల్లో హౌస్, గ్రీన్ హౌస్ విభాగాలలో కెప్టెన్, సెక్రటరీ, వైస్ కెప్టెన్ లో ఎన్నుకున్నారు. అనంతరం స్కూల్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ మోహన్ కృష్ణ, ఉపాధ్యాయులు యూనుస్, ప్రవీణ్ తదితరులు ఎన్నికల్లో విజయం సాధించిన విద్యార్థులను అభినందించారు. విద్యార్థులు నాయకత్వ లక్షణాలను అలవర్చుకోవాలని సూచించారు. కార్యక్రమంలో ఉపాధ్యాయులు, సిబ్బంది, విద్యార్థులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
The head girl for this institution is one student has secured 55 votes and the one more student has secured 246 votes. There was one side result was given by the students. The winner of this head girl is everyone keep silence for two results of head boy for this academic year 2024 and 25. As we have seen in the history of Akshara, for the first and the foremost time, there was a very big tough between these two personalities. Have secured 150 votes. Both the students have secured 150 votes, but one student has secured 4 votes more than the other person. Means one student has got 150 votes, another student has got 154 votes. So finally I am going to reveal the results of the head boy for this academic year 2024 and 25. I will raise the hand. He will be the head boy of this institution. Okay?
Head girl, head boy, head girl. Wait.
Take head boy and head girl also.
ना नहीं देना था सर, मैं वही बोला ज़्यादा हो जाता उतना भी नहीं, चुप नहीं।
Take hand.
Good.
Good morning, sir. Could you please tell me what is happening in our school premises today?
So very good morning, Mr. Srinivas. When your school elections for school cabinet for the academic year 2024-25 is going to end. So I will show you the details how we are going or conducting through the proper channel in our school cabinet. See there, all the officers, election officers are presiding officer, returning officer, and chief election commissioner. And these are the ballot boxes we are using here, and as well as so in our country, the right to vote is from 18 years, but in our school, we are giving a right to vote from 4th standard, approximately from 8 to 9 years students, and this is conducting every year to bring the awareness among the students and to know them about the importance of the election and about the vote, so that in our country, so every citizen has a right to vote. So most probably we are getting the so to bring awareness the importance of the vote and maximum try to vote above 70% in each and every constituency. So on what happened means on especially on the election day, so many citizens of India are treating that it as a holiday for them and not coming forward to vote. So here are the students in a proper channel. So they are using the voter slips and the symbols and the voting mark on the left hand index finger. And this is the girl who is making mark. And here all the polling sheets are issued with symbols, and there is a voter slip they are giving there, and she is checking whether his or her name is in there in the list or not. There is no chance of bogus here, and they are how to maintain the proper queue. So here police officers also there to maintain the discipline in the school. So each and everything from the school onwards only, we are making them proper knowledge about the how to vote and how to stand in the queue and how to wait and how to elect the proper student who fight for their rights in the school level. Thank you, Sri.
Sir, is it necessary to conduct school elections?
Yes, it is very important to conduct school elections in the school cabinet. It will be useful for the teachers also, even for the management members also. When we elect these leaders, they will take part in all the activities, and it will be very easy for the teachers regarding to maintain the discipline in the classes as well as maintain the discipline at the school ground, and while they are entering into the school and while they are living in the school. So all these things, duties, they will perform by the leaders, and if any problems will be faced in the classroom, that will be rectified by the class leaders, and if it is not possible by them, they will bring notice to the head boy and the head girl, so that it will be easy for them to solve all the problems which are the minor problems, solve at their class level only, and it will be easy for the school principal also.
Sir, how it is useful for future of these students?
Yes, why? Because it is useful for the teacher means if the teacher is coming to the class when the bell rang 5 minutes late or something, so they will maintain the class in a disciplined manner. So until the teacher will come, the class is in a disciplined manner and they sit calmly and they will read before the teacher is coming to the class.
Sir, please tell me how it is going to be helpful for future, like state when they become 18 years old, they are going to vote for their state politics, for their assemblies, and for their MPs for Parliament House. So, how it is going to help for their future?
Yes, Mr. Srinivas, already I told that this is awareness bringing elections. So when we are conducting this type of election in the school cabinet level, every academic year, so if they come out their talent, if they become in the future, if they are trying to nominate as a panchayat elections, as a sarpanch, as a councillors, as even MLAs also, this will be very helpful for the future. So they here in the school level only, they learn how to vote and how to cast and how to nominate and how to get the qualities of a leadership. They learn here clearly the quality of the leadership. So if I become the leader, I can do this. So it will be very helpful for their future to become a good leader and good citizen of India. So it will be helpful for all the elections in country.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.